Welcome to My Life, My Hobby. Today's activity, colorful skeleton leaves. Hi everyone, I am Bhargavi. So today I am going to make colorful skeleton leaves. So let's proceed to the activity. For that I have taken half a tub of water and some peepal leaves. You can take any other leaves. So you can see the size of this leaf. First I am going to put all the peepal leaves in the water. Dip in the water and wash neatly in the water. And keep these leaves dipped in the water for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes, you can see the leaves are cleaned. Now I am going to take these all leaves and put it in the bowl. You can see. Now you can see these all leaves I have washed in the water for about 3-4 times. Now the water which we have used before, we have to throw it and take the new ones. Now I am going to put this or washed leaves in the water and spread them. I am going to keep all the leaves for about 3 to 4 weeks in the water. Remember one thing, that don't keep this tub in the sunlight. Keep it away from it. And now I am going to put the lid on the tub. You can see. Now I am going to tell you an important thing, that is, after 2 to 3 days you have to change the water in it so that your leaves wouldn't be damaged. Let us remove the lid and see. Let us see the leaf. You can see the leaf is become very softer. Let us remove the pulp. Now let us remove all the leaves in clean water. You can see. Hold it very delicately. Now I will remove all the leaves from this water and put it in the bucket. Hold it very lightly. The leaves are very delicate. You can see. You can see the pulp is removed itself. Isn't it very interesting? Now I will remove the pulp. Hold the leaf by one finger, you can see, and from another hand try to remove the pulp from it very smoothly. But guys, dirty smell is coming out, so please wear your mask. Isn't it so beautiful? Oh. Now finally we will reach to our results. Isn't it so nice? Amazing! I really enjoyed this journey. Now let us dip this in the water. In this way, I have cleared 95% of these both leaves. Now, let us clear all the leaves. So finally,
These skeleton leaves are ready. See, they are looking very fantastic and beautiful. Perfect. Now see this. So transparent. Now let us color them. For coloring these skeleton leaves, we needed some colors. You can also use acrylic paints, watercolors, food colors, etc. But I will suggest you these camel acrylic colors. Now I have used one brush and some acrylic paints. So let's get started. I have taken one skeleton leaf and first I am going to color with red acrylic paint. And now let us paint it. Now you can see how I am painting. In this way, we will color this leaf. In this way, our first colorful skeleton leaf is ready. And let us paint the others. Our second also skeleton leaf is ready. In this way, we will color all the leaves with different colors. I have taken yellow color, green color, pink color, white color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color and more. You can see one of them. Now you can use this skeleton leaf for your craft activities. Thank you.